All right, XRP family, how you doing? Hope that you're doing okay. Real quick video for you guys, let you guys know what's going on. As of the recording here, we got XRP down just shy of 3%, about 2.5%. XRP in the overall crypto market is moving down because of a specific market event I'm going to tell you about here in just a minute. But we've got a sell-off going on. Again, not massive, but it has picked up a little bit in the last hour plus here. Like we got Bitcoin down 1%, Ethereum down 1.5%, XRP down 2.5%, BNB down, Solana down, Doge down, Tron, Cardano, and Hyperliquid. Everything is down. And it is down for this reason. The reason is that the Federal Reserve has come out and is defying the White House. And quite frankly, in my opinion, they're defying a lot more people than just the White House, and holding the interest rate steady, not reducing that base interest rate that we need them and want them to do. And here's the thing. I think at this point, the data that has been coming out recently, the core inflation economic data reports has been showing that the economy is not negatively or adversely being impacted by the tariffs. And that's what the Federal Reserve keeps citing, is that they want to continue to wait to see the impact that they think is still coming from the tariffs on our economy, on our inflation numbers. And ironically, those numbers have been actually looking really good. And so I think it's a situation now where the Federal Reserve actually needs to lower that rate. I'm just going to go out on a limb and say it. We all know that President Trump and the White House has been attacking Jay Powell, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, and calling for his removal and things of this nature. But the bottom line is the data, guys, says that really they should be lowering the rate. Now, I'm not a high level economist here. I have my opinion surmised by my own reading. I know that there's always going to be sectors of the economy that, regardless of what's going on, are going to be negatively impacted and things of that nature. But across the board, we need these interest rates to be reduced, these base interest rates, so that we can start to pull, interest rates down for like people who want to buy houses, who want to buy cars, and they need to borrow money to do so. Those interest rates are, I think it's 7+% right now, if you have really good credit to go get a mortgage on a house. I mean, remember, it got down to 3% and below there for a while. Again, that was back in the day. Okay, so what you have going on is you have really, in essence, a sell-off event, not a massive one, a sell-off event for all of crypto and for XRP, because of what you're seeing again play out on the more of the macro stage, with the Federal Reserve holding those rates steady. Is this something we should be worried about as XRP holders? No, not in my opinion. It's another one of those things that we are seeing kind of play out on the larger stage. On a different note, we are now looking possibly at a breakdown here, going below this recent support where we at $3.02. You can see how, and let me zoom in on this for you right here. You can see how we have kind of wicked down behind that support level right there. We've wicked down, candle, the candle wick has gone below that. Now, it did since come back a little bit. We're seeing that play out, from that standpoint. But I think we're going to continue to see some volatility here as we continue to see how things play out. And again, I think that we've got some more potential rough waters ahead of us. We don't really have any positive catalyst events out there for XRP specific or for crypto specific right now. We're coming out of July, and arguably July's been a great month. I mean, for XRP, it went up, from here to here, plus we went up 65% in 20 days. It's been a great month for XRP. Even with everything we've had kind of going on, we've had a couple of nice consolidation ranges. I'm a little worried about us breaking this support here. We have to keep an eye on that. But, we had Ethereum go up 47%. We had Bitcoin go up, 20+% in the month of July as well. Just in those movements, we had XLM really do well. XLM, as another ISO compliant crypto, go up 119%. So overall, July has been a great month. It really has. And I mean, again, you can't, the numbers don't lie. There it is, 65% that we've seen XRP go up in in the month of July alone. And so I think it set us up for a pretty nice looking forward into August, September, but really looking at that fourth quarter, October, November, December, looking at that level there. Okay. That's really what I'm eyeing, is kind of using August, September to kind of be the runway in essence, and maybe get some nice gains, maybe see XRP go to $4+ in the next 5, 6, 7 weeks as we roll into October, November. That would be really, really strong for us and really looking good. Okay, but we're down a little bit today again because of the JPAL stuff, the Federal Reserve doing their thing. Next meeting is going to be in September, so we get to have a break in August where we don't have to worry about the Federal Reserve in August, but we will have a meeting per the Federal Reserve in September. There's going to be a tremendous amount of pressure on the Federal Reserve to lower that rate in September. I think that even more data is going to say, hey, you know what, the tariffs are having actually a positive impact on the market, things of that nature. And again, this is not a political statement. This is regardless of politics. The data coming out, the inflation data, the reports, the GDP report, things, they're all coming in really, really well, really good. Okay. So, hey, if you want my upcoming free newsletter, we're launching this week. Get it now. Links are in the description below. It's going to be a couple times a week. We're going to email you wealth creation strategies, how you can create even more wealth, more profits in crypto and in stocks. So link in the description below for you to get that newsletter. This is the page you'll land on. You just put your name, email in, you submit it, you're in. And we'll deliver that directly to your email box a couple times a week. Okay. So deliver a lot of value to you, and it's 100% free. So if you're watching this on X, links will be below this video as well. So give that a look. And if you want even more help making more money, I've got my trading indicator, cost about $1.15 a day. You can see right here, boom, buy here, sell here. These are little alerts, the screen momentum up and momentum down, or buy and sell alerts respectively. Software runs on an iPhone, runs on Android, runs on computer. That's 65%. $1,000 of XRP bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of $651 right there. If you want Ethereum, 15 days, 47%, Bitcoin, 20%, XLM, 119%. You can even use the software for stocks. This is Netflix. This is the Netflix chart. Buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. And in 83 days, make 60%. Okay. So the software costs literally about $1.15 a day with that discount code. There's a link in the description below. If you're watching this on X, link below this video as well. $1.15 a day. You spend more than that on stuff that doesn't make you a penny. Invest in yourself and at least try it, because you have a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. You get to try the software for 30 days. You don't like it, you don't like the font that I use in the software, you can ask for a refund. We've also got a private community for you right here where we do live training every single week, and we record these classes for you. All your questions, you're not alone. You're part of a massive community. It still makes me laugh. You're part of a community and here to help you and support you. I have live people in here every single day helping you and supporting you on your trading journey and trying to help make you even more profits in crypto and in stocks. Okay. So links in the description below to the X1 algo. If you're watching this on X, links below this video as well. I'll see you. Peace. Later.